If you're looking to change your password in the Ayuda app, you've come to the right place. This step-by-step video will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Open the Ayuda app on your device. Tap the More button located at the bottom navigation bar. In the More menu, select Account to access your profile details. On your profile detail page, tap the three-dot options menu, typically at the screen's top corner. Tap Change Password from the option menu that appears. Input your existing password. Set up your new password by entering it in the New Password field. Re-enter the same new password in the Re-enter Password field. Finally, when you're satisfied with your new password, tap the Change Password button. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your password in the Ayuda app. Your account is now more secure with your updated password. If you encounter any issues or have questions, please feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for choosing Ayuda.